Rain tapped steadily against the attic window as Eleanor wiped away decades of dust. Her fingers grazed an old typewriter, its keys dulled and sticky from years of neglect. Intrigued, she set it on the creaky wooden desk and pressed a key. To her shock, a ribbon of faded ink spelled out, "Find me where the shadows sleep." Eleanor's breath caught. She recalled the cold case of Mr. Langley, the jeweler who vanished without a trace years ago. The police had scoured every corner spot, but the mystery remained unsolved. Now this silent machine seemed to whisper secrets long buried. With each keystroke, more words appeared, behind the ticking clock, beneath the wooden floor. Heart-pounding, Eleanor crept downstairs, guided by the cryptic message. She carefully moved the grandfather clock aside and pried up a loose floorboard. Beneath it lay a velvet pouch containing Langley's missing watch and a folded note. "Forgive me, I had no choice." The attic typewriter, silent for decades, had finally spoken. Eleanor dialed the police with trembling hands. Outside, the rain intensified, but inside, the silence was broken at last.